everybody, and welcome back to Darvanalee Designs. And today I am doing something a little bit different. We're going to be out and about. I'm heading out the front now. You can hear Brendan's truck in the background. But we are going to be doing something a little bit different. Alfie, come on. So we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We have a camper van that we got about 8 months ago or something along those lines, and we're going to be doing it up. So let me just turn around so you can see it. That is our camper van. It has been decked out. There is a bit of a sad story behind it. The man that actually owned this got as far as Kingatow, and he got extremely ill and unfortunately didn't make it. And the family just were not from here, and they just wanted to get rid of the van and not have that headache while he was in hospital and stuff like that. So yeah, so we have this van. We picked it up. We went and picked it up from the campsite and brought it back. It is an absolute pigsty inside. He didn't sort of live the best in my opinion, but he left it in a bit of a mess. So we've got to clean it all out and everything like that. So basically I'm going to be just doing little snippets, little vlogs every now and again of the things that we get done to this. So we're going to deck it out, put a shower in, all that sort of stuff, change the bed and all that sort of stuff. Of course I've got my handyman with me, he's hiding in the truck and all the things. So the handyman, obviously he's going to do all the heavy lifting and all the things, but we're going to sort it all out so we can use this instead of booking motels and stuff. We're going to use this as little, you know, weekend escapes and all the things, but we've got a lot of work to do for it first.
I don't know if Alfie's going to be any help or more of a hindrance.
Alfie's just excited. And as you can see, he's...
Alfie,
what you doing? Hello. Hello. Yes, you're so happy. You're such a happy boy. Is that you? Is that you? It is, isn't it? Hello, Alfie. Good boy, yeah. So we are going to just do as much as we can today. We're just going to clean it out, but you'll get little videos all along the way of the different things that we're doing to it. As I said, Brendan's going to do a lot of the heavy lifting. We discussed it the other day in the truck that we are going to basically use this instead of booking hotels, which are costing us a bomb. So between now and hopefully before summer, we are going to do some traveling, and of course you'll see those vlogs as we go and all the things, just little getaways, just to get away from the house, get away from work, all that sort of stuff. All right, we're going to open it up and see what we have to deal with. We are going to be gutting this out, and then we're going to be putting a shower, a new bed in, and then once we get those two main things in, because we want some seclusion. We don't want to rely on amenities, so we're going to have our own seclusion. So that means a shower has to go in, our bed has to be in there, and so once all that goes in, then we can build the rest of it around those two main items. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so Brendan was filming a bit and he's opened up the inside, and as you can see, it is quite a mess in here because they basically just took the guy's personal belongings and left the rubbish behind. So we've got to go through and make sure that everything is, you know, that we can get everything out, chuck everything out. We're going to gut all of this, and in the corner over here, that's where the shower's going to go, and I'll just insert a picture in here. And this is sort of the vibe we're going for, the colour aesthetics and all that sort of stuff. So what Brendan and I are going to do is we're going to get some pictures together, and then we're going to work out a plan. As I said, he's going to do most of the heavy lifting, plan, layout, all that sort of stuff, but I will have a fair chunk of import. We're going to raise that bed up a little bit higher because we're old. Getting down low is not an option these days, really. So yeah, and
I'll send you the picture.
Yeah, I have already said that. Okay. And we're going to put TV in up here. We're going to look at enlarging that window a little bit so we've got a bit of cross flow. We've got a whole heap of plants. So basically, to cut a long story short, you will see a video on my channel, and you'll also see a video on Brendan's channel, so if you can see the nitty gritty. So if you've got husbands that are wanting to know exactly what this van is, which is an Iveco, is that right? Iveco diesel, and all that sort of stuff, and like the nitty gritties of the solar power and all that sort of stuff, that will definitely be on Brendan's channel. But I'm going to take you through the journey of just putting this together and all the things, and the videos will be what they be, but the main thing that we have to work on first is getting the shower in, getting everything out first, getting the shower in and the bed in place, and then everything else will come from that. We've got a fair bit of work to do, but it's a great way for us to get away and have weekends together in seclusion and all the rest of it. Brendan, a couple of weeks ago, or about a month ago maybe, threw some bug bombs in here, and so there's no bugs in here, there's no fleas or anything like that, because he had a dog, and so we've got to de-dog it basically.
We won't be doing any dogging at all.
So yeah, so we're just, today the main plan is just to, let me tell you, is just to get rid of all of this rubbish in here, like all his clothing, everything. Get rid of all the things, take that god-awful mirror off. Brendan's just WDing the door, making sure that that works well. Can you just open that up again? I mean, close it a bit, just so I can show the window.
Yeah, they're awesome.
Yeah, so we've got these windows in here. They have these blinds on them, and Brendan's going to go up and up to the caravan place just up the road, talk about aircon for in here, as well as getting another window this size to put over on that side above the bed, just to give us a little bit of daylight. But they have screens on them, and they also had the block out blind on it as well, so you can see how dark it was. It's moving better. Yeah, cool. So this is all coming out, getting rid of all that. We'll have the shower in there, and then we'll have a little sink and stuff over this side for us. We've got plans to extend like canvas, like an annex off the back as well, to give us a little bit more room. And just out the front here, on the side, and anybody that's got a camper van would know, there's this awning on here. We're not 100% sure if that works yet or not, so we're going to test all that to know what we've got to buy. And in the front, there is a lot of work to do, so there'll be some sewing of like a dash mat. Brendan's going to put a larger GPS screen and stereo in it. The UHF is going to get moved and down into where the stereo is now, because that's useless, that stereo. It just needs a really good clean. You can see that it's had a dog. This is obviously the dog's spot. And so we've just got to de-clean it. But the bones of it is fairly decent.
We're not even going to look through these, are we?
No, they're just going. So yeah, so basically the bones of it is really decent, and I think that we'll be able to do something really good with this. And I'll insert little pictures of the aesthetic that we're going for and all that sort of stuff.
Got some Nicole, they're probably only out of date by... Oh no, they're still in date. This is by the May 2026, so they're still in date. I don't believe in being sick, so they're no good to me.
I'll pass, thanks. They've
sure?
been bug bombed and all. So yeah,
Extra.
it'll kill what ails you, right? So yeah, so this is all got to get pulled out. We've got solar power and all that sort of stuff.
I think this was his poo bucket. Do you want to keep that?
No, I'll pass, thank you. I'm good. So I do not want the poo bucket. It could go. So this is, you can see it's quite low, so we want to make it so we can fit 2 of those containers. One of
no poo buckets allowed.
no poo buckets allowed. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to put up with these corny jokes.
Stay regular.
No. So basically what we're going to do is we want to make the bed as high as we can get, so we can get 2 of those tubs underneath it, and then that'll make it a little bit high.
It's very high in fibre. That's why you needed that bucket.
Oh my God.
That's why you needed the big bucket.
Oh dear.
One of those days, ladies.
So that's what we're planning on doing. And, we're going to take you along for the journey. All right, let's get into it, shall we? It's your bucket. You can keep the bucket. That's gross. It's pretty janky in here.
That's very polite, Nicole.
You know what? It fucking stinks. Like, it's fucking rank. Oh my God.
At least you know there's no bugs.
No, there's no bugs. I'm not getting creepy crawlies on me, and I'm not getting, yeah. Oh, it's just, I'm glad my nose is running today because of the wind, because it is alleviating some of the stench.
It's bad, but it's not as bad. I've had worse.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we've had like, what the fuck is going on with this fucking garbage bag? It's a fucking idiot test. And I just failed.
I do this for a job. Like I clean up cars and go through, and you'd be surprised what I find in cars.
Yeah, people throw a lot of stuff away, eh?
Yeah.
I don't want to open the fridge.
Actually, Brett, I'm not keeping that mattress for him. I'd rather go buy another one.
Yeah, I was going to say, yeah, pick up a cheap one. This laser disc thing, chuck it.
Yeah.
There's an electric pedal down here too. No. No. We're not that desperate, are we?
No. Definitely.
You don't want that cord.
No, fuck it. This one here, Tom? This bag?
Yep.
Feeling better already.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got some 1540 weight oil. Mad.
Do you want this toothbrush? Oh my god. Oh my lord. That is just rank. Like, who does that?
Is our bin supposed to be out?
Yeah, it is. It's out. Here you go. Here's your toothbrush.
Oh, nice. I'll just do my bum with it.
That's a pig tin. Where are you out there? Cool. There's another little 20 kg gas bottle down here, Red.
Is it connected to something?
I think so.
Which means there might be a small hot water system in the wall somewhere.
Yeah. I'm just putting stuff out here for you to have a look at what it is. So, we've just spent the last hour in here and we're starting to get rid of it. So I'll just turn the camera around. I've got rid of the mattress, and as you can see that folds up so you can get into underneath there. Brendan's still cleaning all of that.
There is that.
So as you can see, we've got out all the rubbish. We've got rid of that mattress. It wasn't even a full mattress that he had on there. It was just like a single mattress, camp mattress or something. It's janky. All these cupboards have been cleaned out now. We're really scared to open up the fridge, but we've got rid of all the rubbish. This cupboard is cleaned out. As you've seen, I was just pottering around getting all the stuff. There's a lot of tools and stuff. Brendan will take this all over to the workshop because there's bits and pieces in there that he can use for different things, and there might be bits and pieces that we'll need for this as well. So yeah, there's that. We've just got to unplug everything now, get a drill, and I'm going to go head inside, grab the drill and all the rest of it, and we're just going to start taking stuff off the wall. Like, there are so many hooks on the wall. They've all got to come off as well. So we've got to get the fire extinguisher in check as well, make sure that that is okay. Okay, so we have got all the mattress out, as you've seen before. It was a tiny mattress. It wasn't even a full mattress. But he was on his own, so that
he was.
Yeah, that makes sense. But that's sort of the bed size. I think that is a good size for both of us. Anyway.
Yeah, we'll just measure it up.
Yeah.
Measure up what the mattress size it is.
Yeah.
If you're feeling
brave, I've just said that we're a little bit scared.
You just flick the power on, it's working, so it might be working.
Yeah.
I'll stand over here where the breeze is going towards you, and you open it up and have a look.
How did I get nominated for that?
I'm too.
But you're the man, like.
That's right. I'm very important to the whole process.
I don't want to open it.
Just have a look, see if it is. There might be a head in there or something.
Oh God! Are you ready, everyone? It's not looking good.
There's
if it's
a thing on the side.
No, it's not done.
We'll use some strength. Boom! Did I scare you? Is there a head in there or a leg?
It's pretty janky.
But is it on? Like, is there?
No, I don't think it's on. No.
I can't even smell it because the wind's coming from the back.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's blowing out this way straight into my face, which is great. Luckily my nose is blocked. It's not as bad as I thought, so it's fine. There's some cheese in there and there's some eggs. Who don't we like? So you got a drill. It's got power and the freezer. So, but we're getting rid of this, right? We're just gonna we're getting rid of that, right?
Maybe if it. Yes.
Yes, because it's too big.
Oh, because it's got the freezer, it's not too bad. But if we're going to build a new place, I'd rather just have a new one.
Yeah, no, that's fair. All this is going, but this is all emptied out now. You can see I've just cleaned it all out and all the rest of it, but it's all going. All right, we're going to keep going. Brendan's up the back digging for treasure, and cool, awesome. He knows what all that stuff is. I look at it and go, I have no flipping idea. So yeah. But
it's still got all the pump and that in there. There's actually a stove in under here, which is not what we're going to use, but it's disgusting. The gas boil's still hooked up though. I'll take the microwave and throw that out now because it's rooted. Take the shelf out, get rid of all these clips, take that mirror off. But we're getting there. It doesn't smell in here anymore. So big steps forward.
Okay, so we've managed to pull everything out and we've dumped it all in the back of our dump car. And this is what we use to get rid of rubbish and that, so our cars don't get wrecked or anything. This is all the rubbish that we got out. We got rid of the mattress. We took the back bed off as well to get rid of that. Brendan's just taking some final bits and pieces off the wall. We'll start getting rid of hooks and all that sort of stuff. So that's all coming off and whatnot. We got rid of the bed as well. Because we think that that's where the source of the smell of urine was coming from. Was from the plywood on top because there was a water stain there. So we got rid of that.
It doesn't stink in here now.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, so we got rid of everything out of here. Obviously we'll leave some of the cupboards and everything in because it's going to be a bit of a slow process. And we can use it at the workshop if friends come up to stay and whatnot. So we're just going to clean it up as much as we can. So it's looking pretty good and all the rest of it. And we're talking about getting, like, you know, the odd style annexes that you get on caravans and stuff. We're talking about putting that on the back here. And just looking at that red with the doors opening up like that, it's going to make it a lot easier to put that annex thing on.
Yeah, I didn't realise they went all the way around.
Yeah, I didn't know either.
Might get rid of this curtain, eh?
Yeah, I was going to say, yeah. Yeah. So yeah, we're going to put an annex and that'll give us like a little bit of a living space out here, especially if it's raining and stuff like that. So yeah, like it's going to be a good little project for us to do. So, but that is it for pretty much today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I'll keep you posted of anything more that we do. I don't know how often they're going to go up. We'll get them up as often as we can. Brendan's about to use the brute strength to get things off. I just watched you do that and I'm like, I don't think that's a good idea.
I don't know if it's if we're going to reuse these walls. And it'd be silly to pull them all out when I paint them and then slat them and they'll look new because the hard work's done. I just don't know if there's insulation behind them. If there's no insulation behind them...
Well, you'll be able to see up in the top corner there, there's, at the door, Red, there's a little hole.
Yeah.
No, up the other end.
Yeah. I'm not real happy with how they've done some of it, so some of it will have to be redone. But yeah, the bulk of it, if I paint it all black and then get some light coloured timber slats and put them all the way along, then you'll have the black behind it and the timber slats and it'll sort of offset each other and it'll look really neat and clean.
Yeah, and cosy
and
too.
They won't stick out as far sitting there as well. And yeah.
I
think it'll be
because we're getting a bigger one than that. You want to take that mirror off?
Yeah, I'm doing that now.
Yeah. Take that over the workshop and put it in the bathroom. So I can...
Okay.
Yeah, so I can do my hair.
That'll be different. I'll have the mirror up.
Yeah, you'll be able to see when your eyebrows get out of control and you have to shave them.
I have to put one at the back to see if I've got hair on my back.
Yeah, because
okay.
You are getting older. There's a chance that you will become a Jack Furback.
No. Just not into it, I'm sorry.
I'll be waxing your back. Rip.
See how mean she is to me? Jeez, woman.
Alright, but that's pretty much for today's. We've got done all that. We're really happy with the progress. We're going to take the stuff to the dump. And yeah, that works. And yeah, leave it there for now. So yeah, I think need like a spatula, like a paint spatula to get up underneath it. So yeah, but there'll be more videos to come.